What's the nature beauties and baby? There is too much beautiful things in a nature, but we don't know their beauties and their natures, and we never care them. Watch these. Watch these trees. This is a trees of, I think, lychee. I don't know. uh, let's watch from near side. Okay, this is a lychee trees. Okay, then look over there. Nature is two beautiful things, but we never care. We always cutting trees and building furnitures. Take the time and to see the beauties of nature. There is so much important things to care also. Watch carefully. This is a nut trees. In this area, this is a so much nut trees, and there baby is so much happy in the natures. This is the time for outside, so I make videos. Sorry, baby, are you happy?